Hi friends, April here from Lilac Peaches Handmade. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make an adorable sign and add it to a frame for decor. This sign was used as part of a gift for an HR professional for her office. However, you can make this for any person or title and design it with the corresponding clip art of your choosing. And don't forget the most important part, all the spun specialty cardstock that really makes your work of art pop. As always, I like to assemble my small pieces like text first to get them out of the way, then I can start building all the pieces together by layering with 3D foamies for that popped out effect. A gentle reminder that when adhering anything to glitter cardstock, hot glue is going to be your best friend for a quick and durable hold. I personally love to add offsets to my designs to have those little peaks of color around the outer edges, which I think are very whimsical. Once you're done with your final layers, you can add additional foamies to the back of your item and pop it right onto a wooden frame to give it an elevated look when displayed in your place. Happy crafting, friends!